For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a gig business in today's economy is easier and more scalable than ever, especially with the help of artificial intelligence, AI. Whether you're a freelancer offering services like writing, design, voiceovers, or consulting, AI can accelerate your productivity, reduce overhead, and help you reach clients worldwide. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a gig business with the help of AI. Step 1. Understand what a gig business is. A gig business is based on offering short-term, flexible jobs or freelance tasks. You work for clients on a project-by-project basis rather than being employed full-time. Common platforms include Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and TaskRabbit. Examples of gig services: a logo and graphic design, writing blog posts or website content, voiceover work, data entry, video editing, resume writing, social media management. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Before jumping in, choose a niche that matches your interests or skills, has proven market demand, can be enhanced with AI tools. Popular niches AI can boost: writing and editing. Use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to draft content. Design. Use tools like Canva plus AI image generators, e.g., Midjourney. Marketing. Automate social media posts using tools like Buffer and AI caption generators. SEO services. Use Surfer SEO and ChatGPT to optimize content. Transcription and translation. Leverage Whisper by OpenAI or DeepL. Pick a niche where AI helps you deliver high-quality work faster, even if you have limited experience. Step 3. Validate the demand. Before building your gig, ensure there is demand. Here's how AI can help. Use ChatGPT to simulate customer searches and needs in your niche. Use Google Trends to check the popularity of your service keywords. Explore Fiverr/Upwork to analyze top gigs. Note pricing, reviews, and descriptions. If people are paying for your service already, that's a green light. Step 4. Set up your AI toolkit. Here's where AI gives you a serious edge. Based on your niche, assemble your toolkit. General purpose tools: ChatGPT for writing, ideas, editing, marketing copy. Grammarly for proofreading. Canva AI for design and brand kits. Pictory.ai or Lumen 5 for video creation. Otter.ai or Whisper for transcriptions. Surfer SEO plus ChatGPT for optimized content. Copy.ai or Jasper for ad and marketing copy. Master just 2 to 3 tools, and you can 10x your output while lowering costs. Step 5. Create a service offer. Using AI, you can craft a professional offer without being a copywriting expert. Use ChatGPT to help. Write your service title and description. Outline your gig packages, basic/standard/premium. List keywords for SEO. Create FAQs for your service page. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Create a Fiverr gig description for a blog post writing service that uses AI to generate and edit 1,000-word articles optimized for SEO. Once generated, edit it slightly to make it personal and authentic. Step 6. Build your profile on gig platforms. Choose 1 or 2 freelance platforms to start. Examples: Fiverr, great for specific gigs like logo design or writing. Upwork, better for ongoing clients and B2B gigs. Freelancer.com, people per hour, or TopTal for niche audiences. Profile optimization tips using AI. Use ChatGPT to write your bio tailored to your niche. Use an AI image enhancer, like Rimini, to create a sharp, professional profile photo. Use tools like Loca or Canva to create a unique logo or personal brand visuals. Step 7. Design your gig portfolio. Even if you're a beginner, AI lets you create sample work easily. Examples: use Canva to design logos or presentations. Use ChatGPT to generate writing samples or product descriptions. Use Pictory.ai to create sample videos for YouTube or TikTok editing gigs. Use Synthesia or 11 Labs to produce AI voiceover samples. Your portfolio should show off your capabilities even before you get your first client. Step 8. Price your services competitively. You don't need to race to the bottom. Instead, use AI to justify your price by offering value. Tiered pricing idea for writing. Basic, $15 500-word blog post, ChatGPT plus Grammarly. Standard, $35 1,000-word SEO blog post, ChatGPT plus Surfer SEO. Premium, $60 1,000-word blog plus keyword research plus 2 social media posts. The AI tools make this work fast and scalable. Step 9. Promote your gig business. Once listed, start driving traffic. Use AI to help market. Marketing tasks with AI. Create social media content using ChatGPT and Canva. Schedule posts with Buffer or Hootsuite. Create short videos using Pictory.ai or InVideo to post on TikTok or Instagram. Use ChatGPT to generate email templates for cold outreach or client follow-ups. You can also write blog posts or LinkedIn articles explaining your services. Again, AI can write and edit them for you. Step 10. Deliver work with AI-enhanced speed. AI lets you turn around tasks quickly and professionally. Draft articles using ChatGPT, edit with Grammarly, run through Hemingway app. Create presentations using Tome or Canva. Use Midjourney or DALL-E for unique graphics. Generate voiceovers with 11 Labs for audio gigs. Always review AI-generated work. Use your judgment and polish before sending it to clients. Step 11. Ask for reviews and referrals. After delivering quality work, ask your client for feedback. Use AI to help craft polite and professional review request messages. Prompt. Write a message asking a client to leave a 5-star review after a successful Fiverr project. Positive reviews will boost your profile ranking and attract more clients. Step 12. Scale your gig business. Once you've found a service that sells, automate repetitive tasks using AI. Use templates and workflows. Outsource parts of your gig, e.g., AI does first drafts, you do final edits. Offer bundled services, e.g., blog plus social post plus design. Create a digital product from your service, like an ebook or course. Eventually, you can expand into an agency model or build your own site to avoid platform fees. Conclusion. AI empowers solo entrepreneurs to compete with large teams. By combining creativity with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, and others, you can launch a profitable gig business in writing, design, marketing, or many other areas, even with little experience or money. Start small, focus on quality, and let AI do the heavy lifting. The gig economy is growing, and with AI by your side, you can grow right along with it. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.